Hello math families, this is Mr. Warburton and my friend Skylar, and we just wanted to show you a few games that you can play with your flashcards at home to help your students get that math fact mastery. So the first one's called lineups, and basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making piles as you sort through your cards. So what we've done, and we've kind of made our way through several of the facts, we've made a pile where there's the minuend minus 17, here's the minuend minus 14, 13, 12, and we're just solving the facts and putting them in the right pile. So she does 10 minus 8?
2.
2. She says the answer and we put it in the minus 8 pile.
1.
And we put that in the minus 16 pile.
11.
And we put that here.
16.
Say it a little louder for the camera, Bird.
14.
Good. So after you make your way through lots of these facts and you have a big pile, then pick up a stack and do some examination of how all of these facts are related. So when you see 13 minus 10 and you see the answer is 3 or 2 or 7 or 6, and you put all those facts out, you can start to make connections about what to subtract 10 means, or what does subtract 14 means. So spend some time doing that, and that'll help you get stronger with your math facts. Again, that's lineups. The next game that we're going to play with our flashcards is called Big Diff, or Big Difference. You play this game by making 2 piles of flashcards, and then your opponent turns over a card, and you turn over the card, and the one with the biggest difference wins the cards. My difference is 0.
My difference is
7.
7. Yes.
So Bird would win those. Then we do it again. My difference is 0.
My difference is 3.
My difference is 13.
My difference is 7.
So I would win those. And you would just keep going through, and you could say the difference.
My difference is 10.
My difference is 10. When we tie, we do it again. My difference is 6.
My difference is 12.
That person would win all the cards. And you would keep playing on and on and on. That's Big Difference. Our next game that you can play with your flashcards is called Sorts. And when you're sorting addition facts or subtraction facts or multiplication facts or division, I would sort these ones by their answers or by their difference. So if you are doing subtraction, I would make a pile where the answer or difference equals 1. That difference equals 2. That difference equals 13. That is a difference of 7, a difference of 4, a difference of 2, a difference of 7, a difference of 8, a difference of 3, a difference of 7. Yes. Once you make your piles and you have you have a large stack of numbers whose difference is, let's say 3, difference is 7, then you can look at those cards and see if you can make some connections about answers that are all equal to 7. Or maybe just spending time with facts or fact families or difference families that all have the same answer. Make connections. That is sorts. Our next game is called Fact Shark, and this one's really fun. So what you basically do is you put a bunch of facts in front of the person who's playing. The Fact Shark, that's the person that's pulling the cards, is going to put their finger on a fact and pull it towards them.
7.
If they solve it, it gets pushed back into their pile.
6.
Ooh, that was a close one.
7. 14.
Yes. If the fact makes it all the way to the end of the table, this is a fact that the student needs to work a little bit more with. So put that in a separate pile. Okay? After you've made lots of movements Okay, and after you pull the fact off the table, I would look at the fact, maybe solve it together. What plus 9 is 15? Count up.
6.
6. The answer is 6. And put that card in a pile to be used later. Okay, if there's facts that are easy for the student,
7. 13. Nope.
nope, that's not 13.
3.
Yes.
7.
Okay, now we kind of get to this part where you can start taking multiple cards, or even 3 cards at a time. They point and say the
7,
difference.
3, 0.
Good, you can push them all back.
7. 4.
Oh, when you get more facts, remember, those are the ones that you want to solve. 9, 13 take away 9.
4.
4. 16 take away 9.
7.
7. And just keep those, again, to be used later. If there's facts that the student really knows well, that's when you want to put those facts aside, and those are the ones that she or he would get to keep. And you keep moving through your facts and putting new facts out, keeping this game fresh all the time, and keep moving facts towards you.
2.
Okay, so 14 take away 9 is?
4. I mean 5.
That's right. So, that one's called Fact Shark. That one's really fun. Have a great time.